G'day guys, today we're in the Isuzu D-MAX. We're going to be showing you how to change your interior light bulbs over. So as I mentioned, we're in the D-MAX, but it is the same for the Isuzu Mu-X and the Mazda Bt-50. They all have the same setup here. So what you want to do first is get a little flat blade screwdriver just to pop this cover down. There is a hinge point right here, and there's another one down the bottom here. So what you want to do is you just want to start at this top point up here. So in this top point where the little cutout is, that's where you want to put your flat blade screwdriver in. Just sit it in there like that, and then just lever it out, and it'll just pop it off that hinge. Okay, see that? Very simple. There's another one down the other end, and there's also a little tab that locks in on the side here. So what you want to do now is just pop it down just a tad, and once it's unclipped like that, you can either just grab it with your hands and twist it, or you can pop your screwdriver and you can just leave it down on this side here. I'll just do it by my hands. Just like that. You'll see there's a little tab that locks in under this side, and at the other end there's a tab. So when you're putting it back in, you just pretty much make sure that tab's under there and you clip it back up. We'll go through that in a second. So we've already changed these ones over. These are our LED ones, but the original ones, these are the standard original ones. They're that warm yellow glow, and these are our bright LED ones. They're both the same style to get in and out. They're just a T10 wedge, so they just pop in, they just push. So when you're taking your original ones out, you just hold on to it and pull it out. You'll see the little socket in there. And then when you want to put your new ones in, it's just a matter of pushing them back in. Just line them up and pop them in. As you'll see, ours are a lot longer than the standard ones, so they get right down to where your lens is to get a better light flow to shine all around the vehicle. Once you have changed one side, you can actually reach up here and grab this one with your finger, so you don't have to grab a screwdriver in there. And you can pop this one out as well. And there's your little click to turn it on and off. So yeah, same thing, you pop it out, grab your new bulbs, and then pop them back in. Just like that. Now just for putting the covers back on, as I said, that tab on the outside there, just make sure that goes in first. And then you can pop them back straight back up, line your little clips in, and then just push them up. Once it's all back in place, you can just check just to make sure it works. But yeah, that's it. And then we'll just do the same on the opposite side. It's that easy, guys. While I'm here, moving from the front to the back, if you do want to change the back one too, we have already done ours as well, but I'll just show you how to do that. So this is the LED one in here. I'll show you how to pop this one out as well. So changing the rear one over, it's very similar. It's got another little tab you can see just there. We're going to pop that screwdriver straight in that little crack there. So again, just like that. Then we just pop it down like that. Then we hold on to it, and it comes out like that. That's our LED one in there now. And this is the standard Festoon one that comes out of it. So that one's an easy swap out as well. I'm just doing this one-handed, so I'm not going to go through this, but there's a holder on this where you pop one end in, and this spring end here, you just lever it out, line it up, and then click it into this side here. Very simple and easy to do. Pop the cover back in, it's just like this. Push it up. Oh, sorry about the blurriness. There we go. It's that simple, guys. All right, have a good one, guys.